like yours, ano ah. That's yes, this. You go and help, oh. Oh, you, actually, let Matthew open this one. He will help you open, but that's yours. You open it. You open it.
I did not do anything.
I know, it's okay. He just like to help also open, remove the tag,
Oh, let Matt
tawag dito.
also.
Matthew, what are the places of you did not do anything?
Wow!
Wow, who gave that ate? They're not reading.
Ika.
Who?
Ika.
Ah, okay. Ay, oo, nabasa pala yun.
Ay, isang sa gigi.
Matthew,
Yes. Yeah. It's yours, Mason. Just say yes, but it's yours.
Next one, Mason.
Next one, Mason. Next one.
Happy birthday, from Kuya Rafa.
Wow, from Kuya Rafa.
Kuya Rafa.
Like, still, Rafael and the other.
Yes. Open it.
Here, oh, here. Here, I already have it.
Ay, okay, okay.
Continue. Mami pa ako.
Wow! This is yours. You just hold it lang. Let him hold lang. It's okay lang. All of that's yours. Wow, what's next? Wow!
Wow, big.
Oh, read.
It's another pillow.
Read, read.
Jason from Aya Lipos and
Nico and Lathan.
guys. Jason, help!
Wow. Big pondo.
Wow!
Very
Don't
Oh,
open na
Achi,
muna.
put them muna. Them muna. The other.
There's another pillow there. Jason, open it.
Hindi wide shot tong...
Hindi.
No, that's the last.
That's one. Hindi.
That yours? Oh.
Boy, that's not yours.
There's
Wow.
no more name, Mom.
Oh, that's from sina ano?
You see,
Tita
Ate?
Timmy. You see muna the pictures are. No need
Oh,
for
what's
name.
that?
Oh.
Who's that?
Oh, it's from Morgan.
Yes. From Morgan.
From Morgan. Right? And then this one. And then I see again.
Yes, your Woody.
This one, Mason. This one? Happy birthday, Mason, from Gregory. Mason, I cannot see. Take this first. From Gregory.
This is from Jedrick. Okay. Show here to the picture. Show here to the video. Here. Oh. Hi. You tell.
Mommy, open that video. Open
No, don't get.
Wow.
Don't get.
Open it. Mommy, open
Yeah, it's open. Oh, no, don't touch.
Open it.
No. They're taking video.
Oh, next. Mason, pick it. Pick na. Big.
sustainability field trip. Ajinomoto employees and influencers will go on field trips to see how the Ajinomoto group is working on sustainability.
Awan.
The box lang, anak ba?
Mason, gusto ko how you use it pala yung ipipit this.
Sleeping pillow.
Love?
O, next.
Sabi wag sumabay si kuya niyo sa inyo.
Wait, next one, wait. Very good.
Wow, big one.
To Mason, happy birthday. God bless you. Love. Tito Sabra. Tito.
The bride.
And Tito Sabro. Ate Yana. Ate Hunter. Okay, that's all we can read. That's all we can read.
Give one till when we done.
Yeah!
Wow!
Dinosaur. Ay,
Oo, dinosaur. T-Rex.
wow, your favorite.
Oh,
Mati naman ay.
Yes, it's there, Next one, Mason.
Oh, you dance. You dance a little bit.
Ah, there's no.
Oh, dance a little bit for the video daw. Achi, you sway.
Good.
Happy 7th birthday from Liam. You dance a little bit.
Like you're enjoying open the gift. Mason.
What's wrong?
Nakatalikod sila eh. Sa harap ko lagay itong ano.
Jay, mama, yan yan na. Hindi na ka na na.
Hindi, nandito yung gifts eh. Ate Weds, daan nga ako sa likod.
Ayun, makatulog ni Mason na habang ako.
What?
Mason can sleep because the pillows they gave him.
Bakit hindi ito nagwa-wide? Wala siyang 0.5. Nasa 1 lang na magnifier.
for giving gifts.
So many, Papa Will.
Wow!
Okay. Thank you to si Bulilit, di naman sa kanya. It's not yours, ha?
Mason,
Or Anya.
happy birthday from Tito Mo.
Wow, ito mo.
Oh, Mami, kita mo, it's a Lego! Wow! Ate, you can help us opening, but it's not your gift, okay? Ate, give this to Ate Shervin. Ate, can you get the Spider-Man? No. To Shorty Mason, happy birthday. We love you from Archie Megan. Archie Megan and Dave another Lego. Why do people keep it?
Kagabi nabigla ako, anong Rex ang favorite? Hindi naman.
Wow! Wow! We ask is the one.
Lalo di adobo.
It's the one who said it's not favorite lang.
Ano bang favorite na sinabi?
Adobo na kay lechon with magtumas na.
That's what Mason said to us.
O, it's adobo.
Ang sopo pati ako.
Lucas first said adobo.
Kaya ito din nagtaka ng grabe ang
From Felix and Francis to Mason. Mommy, that's
Kamu
really,
bagi dah kita.
really favorite food.
Bagi nahiyat dah kita.
Hindi na yung Spider-Man. My Spider-Man.
Toys ni Ahiyat dah kita.
Felix and Francis.
Oh, open it. Oh, my girls.
Are you
Wow, what is that? Wow, Mire.
Oh, you know I love this. You know. Wow. I have a feeling Mommy's gonna use the box.
Yes.
Yan, repeat.
Box?
So,
Ate, here.
hindi sinabi ko na okay lang dyan. Pero
Ate,
basta
here.
tayo.
What next? Okay, wait. What next now?
No, later na. You open
Happy birthday, Mason.
Napanood mo ng FB?
Ate, from Jacob.
Maganda?
From Jacob daw? Mark Jacob. Oh, another. No. From Jacob.
Kamu bagi dah kita, mati.
How cute is this?
Ayah, it's not yours. Stay here, oh.
No, I don't.
Pati kahapon nung nagtatampo sa
Mommy,
photo.
I never
It's yours.
Spider-Man.
That's Ayah.
Yan, that's, but that's yours, mate.
Pagpata kita kita na.
Careful, ha?
Who's that
Wow.
from? Another
From who, ate?
Oh! So, I think Tita Joan and Ate Alicia.
Ah, from Tita Ate Isha. Okay. Next gift, Mason.
Mason. Look at it.
Nag-booklet sila to. Sila ang dito.
Next one, Mason.
Oh, get your next gift. May pa so many, oh. There pa, Mason, oh.
Let me see man this.
The one
Let
for
me
Auntie
see
Tita.
lang.
The one from Auntie Tita. Oh, you show it there. Muna show there.
See lang eh.
From?
Oh, come na. Come and get na.
Okay. We'll put this in your room in the new house. Oh, careful. Don't remove na the ribbon. Don't remove na the ribbon.
Yes.
It's perfect like that.
Ayah, oh, your pillow, Spider-Man pillow. Oh.
Wait, I'll put it inside.
I told you to come and get eh.
From Bryce. From Bryce.
Oh, look. Who's that from?
This pillow. Bryce. From Bryce.
Yeah.
Except it's to infinity and beyond.
Yeah. Now it's Mason the Boss.
Come on, kita.
What's next? Si Bryce tsaka si ano.
What was?
Sino na yung
For
gusto?
happy birthday, Mason. From Dr. Glinson
Oh, there. Oh.
and
Mason! I will give you later the pillow. Open first all your gifts, okay? Hindi naman sila makakapun sa Jam and China. Kasi yung kanya sa sila.
Oh, you go.
Dito ni Mason.
Wait lang natin na
Guys, ipot lang yun. May ano pa na.
Mason ka.
We have pa na to gifts so many, 100 of gifts. Wow, dami pa pala na.
I love those monsters look so scary.
CR ka na?
And so
CR
weird.
ka? Oh, open. The next gift na what you open, Achi, while Miran is opening that.
Oh, it's open this one. It's open this from the
Mason.
Wow!
From who?
Dr.
Mason.
This one down too.
From Hayden.
Two Mason. From Tita Liza, Tita Lai, and Tita Ale. Here's how you open it.
Tita Rayma.
Oh, look, Mason, it's slime! And washable heart and washable part. You can bring this to school. From Tita Liza, Tita Lana, and Tita Ale. Are you ready to open your slime, Mason? No. Now. Not now, ha? I know you're the one who wants to play. I like to play with the box. I am Mason from Raisa and Ael.
Wow.
I think that was a game. Kasi the other. Mason! It's the one we were supposed to get. That's the one we were supposed to get. This one that's Mason or the other one? This one. Our dearest please, happy 7th birthday. God bless you always. We love you from Yoyo and Yoyo.
Wow. From Yoyo and Yoyo. Let's see what is that. Ay, pinapakisa kasi yan. Itapat ko din.
Oh, Mason, oh! Look there!
It's this bus!
Wow. Wow.
Another bus.
What is the first gift that you will open today? You have to open so many gifts every day.
Wait lang, he also needs to open one of them.
O sige, guess na do.
Wait lang! Happy birthday, Mason, from Savannah. I believe it.
Careful.
Here.
Wow. O next, Mason.
To cousin Mason, happy birthday. We love you from Lucas and Deb.
Mason, you're not looking, man.
This is the one we were talking about. He actually got him a watch.
Wow. That's great.
Oh my god. I have a watch. I
Huawei.
can see the time.
Yes, you need a watch, right?
Yeah, but I
So
use
that you
it
know
to
if it is
school.
time to wake up, time to go to
Even
school.
in a but my classmate.
O next gift, there, the box naman. Go, the mini. There. Mason, o next.
Mason,
Read
this
it,
one.
please.
Mason, this one.
Aunties, you
Happy birthday, Mason. We love you very much, Papa and
Oh, from
Mama.
Papa Bob. Wow! Oh!
Oh!
Wow!
You load again, yay!
Yay! Oh, that. Open.
Monday.
Ibigay ka din na na-receive.
From
Wala.
Monday.
No, there is
Ate,
paper. Give the paper back to Ate Sherby, anak.
Okay.
Ay, sige to Ate.
To Kuya Mason, happy 7th birthday. From Maria.
Right, Riley. From Tita Rica, that one.
Oh, it's an
Wow! Oh, next.
This one,
We have
no,
another
this is
one
what
here.
Mason said.
Yes, yes.
Happy birthday, Mason. From Kuya Daniel and Kuya John.
Nagambal.
This is the same with Rafa's. Oh no, it's the same. It's the same with Rafa's. It's the same. So you can give one to match or oh wait no, different pala. It's a different type of cars.
Wow!
But the same brand. Same brand but different cars. To Mason from Jay and Lay.
Yeah, from Tito JB, Bakiran.
Wow.
Wow. Ni, open na.
Open it, anak. Open it.
No name.
Actually, open it.
Oh, it's from Auntie Timmy and Morgan.
Correct.
Stainless tumbler. From Auntie Timmy and Morgan. It's a
Wow!
tumbler.
Don't remove from the sofa because that will be ano.
You open the, no, the tumbler. It's picture also the same.
Brown. Box. Eh, saan nyo nilagay yung white na cupcake? Dalawa.
Ah, yes pala. Mommy, look at this.
Okay, so din yun din.
May dalawang.
Next
Wow!
one.
Oh, yung cute.
Ibig
To
na
Mason. Love. From Jamie
From
Jamie
Jamie.
and Jacob.
Jacob. Okay. That's what I I already have one. Pagkabot ka na. Pagkabot ka na.
Oh yeah, it's this thing.
Oh, it's the pair. Wow, there's a pair.
Wow, there's two.
Kabisado na talaga ni Ayayang.
Pag malaki ko tayo na nabati na ngayon ayaw siya.
Diyan malagip yung toys niya ha. Siya kabisado.
Next one, Mason.
Ito yung
Mason from